Hello students, today in chapter number 4 multiplication and division we will solve problem set number 15. Question number 1. Solve the following and write the quotient and the remainder. Now you know what is quotient and the remainder. Question number 1. 1284 divided by 32. First we will write this question. 1284 divided by 32. First number is number 1. This number is smaller than this number. So we will write 32 zeros are 0 because this number will not come in the table of 32. Put minus sign. 1 minus 0 is equals to 1. Then we will write second number, that is 2. Now this will 12. Again this number 12 number will not come in the table of 32 because this is smaller than 32. Again we will write 32 zeros are 0. 2 minus 0 is equals to 2 and 1. Now we will write third number, that is 8. 128. Now this number 128 is bigger than 32. That means this number will come in the table of 32. For that we need to write the table of 32. 32 ones are 32, 32 twos are 64, 32 threes are 96, 32 fours are 128, 32 fives are 116. Now we will write till 32 fives are because we want 128. That is why we will not going to write full table of 32. We will write till this number because we want this number only. Now 32 fours are 128. Put subtraction sign. 8 minus 8 0, 2 minus 2 0, 1 minus 1 0. Now copy the last number, that is 4. This number is 4. Again in the table of 32 this number will not come because this is smaller than 32. So we will write 32 zeros are 0. 4 minus 0 is 4. So in this question the quotient is 40 and the remainder is 4. See the answer. Quotient is 40 and remainder is 4. Question number 2. 5586 divided by 87. Write this 5586 divided by 87. Again first we will see the first number, that is smaller than 87. 5 will not come in the table of 87. So we will write 0. 87 zeros are 0. 5 minus 0 5. Now then copy the second number, that is 5. Now this number is 55. This number will not come in the table of 87 because this is smaller than 87. Again we will write 0. 87 zeros are 0. 5 minus 0 is 5 and 5. Now copy third number, that is 8. Now this number is 558. This number is bigger than 87. That means this will come in the table of 87. For that we need to write the table of 87. 87 ones are 87. 87 twos are 174. 87 threes are 261. 87 fours are 348. 87 fives are 435. 87 sixes are 522. 87 sevens are 609. Now we want which number? 558. Here 558 is not there, but the smaller number is there. that is 522. So we will write 87, 6 are 522, minus 8 minus 2, 6, 5 minus 2, 3, 5 minus 5, 0. This is 36. Now copy the last number, that is 6. Now this number is 366. We had already write the table of 87. So we will find out this number will come in the table of 87. No, 366 is not there, but the smaller number is there, that is 348. So we will write 87, 4s are 348, minus 6 minus 8, not possible. So we will borrow from 6. This will 16. 16 minus 8, the answer will be 8. This will be 5. 5 minus 4, 1. 3 minus 3, 0 and 0. So the answer is 18. In this question, the quotient is 64 and the remainder is 18. Question number 3. 1207 divided by 27. Write 1207 divided by 27. First number is smaller than 27, so we will write 27 zeros are 0. 1 minus 0, 1. Copy second number. 2. 12 smaller than 27. Again 27 zeros are 0. 2 minus 0, 2. And 1. Copy third number, that is 0. Now this number is 120. This number is bigger than 27. So this number will come in the table of 27. For that we will write the table of 27. We will write table of 27. Now find out, is 120 is there in the table of 27? No, but the smaller number is there, that is 108. So 27, 4s are 108. 0 minus 8, not possible. We will borrow from 2. This will 10. 10 minus 8, 2. 1. 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Now copy the last number, that is 7. So this is 127. Is this number will come in the table of 27? Let's see. No, but the smaller number is there, that is 108. 27, 4s are 108. 7 minus 8, not possible. Borrow from 2. This is 17 now. 17 minus 8, 9. 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So the answer is 19. Quotient 44 and the remainder is 19. Question number 4. 8543 divided by 41. 8543 divided by 41. Again the first number is smaller than 41. Write 41. Zeros are 0. 8 minus 0, 8. Copy second number, 5. 85. Now this number is bigger than 41. So this number will come in the table of 41. For that write the table of 41. Now 85 is there? No, but the smaller number is there, that is 82. Write 41. 2s are 82. 5 minus 2, 3. 8 minus 8, 0. If you will not write, that is also okay. Copy next number, 4. Now this number is 34. If this number is smaller than or bigger than 41? This is smaller than. So we will write 41. Zeros are 0. 4 minus 0, 4. 3 minus 0, 3. Copy the last number, that is 3. 343. This number is bigger than 41. So this will come in the table of 41. Find out. No, this number is not there, but the smaller number is there, that is 328. So we will write 41. 8s are 328. Now subtract 3 minus 8, not possible. Borrow from 4. This will 13. 13 minus 8, 5. This will 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 3 minus 3, 0. The answer is 15. Quotient is 208 and remainder is 15. Question number 5. 2304 divided by 43. 2304 divided by 43. First number is 2, smaller than 43. Write 43 zeros are 0. 2 minus 0, 2. Second number 3, 23. Again smaller than 43. Write 0. 43 zeros are 0. 3 minus 0, 0. 2 minus 0, 3 minus 0, 3. 2 minus 0, 2. This answer is 23. Now copy the next number, that is 0. 230. This number is bigger than 43. So this will come in the table of 43. Write the table of 43 and find out is this number is there 230. No, but the smaller number is there, that is 215. 43 5s are 215. 0 minus 5, not possible. Borrow from 3. This is 10. 10 minus 5, 5. This will be 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 2 minus 2, 0. Now copy the next number, that is 4. This answer is 154. Find out is this number is there? No, but smaller number is there. 129. 43 3s are 129. Subtract. 4 minus 9, not possible. Borrow from 5. This will be 14. 14 minus 9, 5. This will be 4. 4 minus 2, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. So the answer is 25. Quotient will be 53 and remainder 25. Question number 6. 56,741 divided by 26. Write the question. 56,741 divided by 26. First number smaller than 26, we will write 0. 26 zeros are 0. 5 minus 0, 5. Next number 50. This number will be 56. 56 is bigger than 26. This will be in the table of 26. For that we will write table of 26. 56 is there in the table of 26? No, but the smaller number is there, that is 52. So we will write 26 2s are 52. Minus 6 minus 2, 4. 5 minus 5, 0. Right? Next number 7, that is 47. This number is bigger than 26. This number will be there in the table of 26. See, 47 is not there, but the smaller number is there, that is 26. 26 ones are 26. 7 minus 6, 1. 4 minus 2, 2. This is 21. Copy the next number, 4. 214. Is this number is there? No, but the smaller number is there, that is 208. 26 8s are 208. Minus 4 minus 8, not possible. Borrow from 1. This will 0. This is 14. 14 minus 8, 6. 0 minus 0, 0. And 2 minus 2, 0. Copy the last number, that is 1. This number is 61. Bigger than 26. Find out. Not there, but the smaller number is there, that is 52. 26 2s are 52. Minus 1 minus 2, not possible. Borrow from 6. This will be 11. 11 minus 2, 9. 5 minus 5, 0. So the answer is 9. Quotient is 2182 and remainder is 9. Next question. How many hours will it take to travel 336 km at the speed of 48 km per hour? See the solution. The speed is 48 km per hour. Distance to be covered, that is 336 km. To find time, divide 336 by 48. We need to divide the 336 by 48. See the first number 3. 3 will be 3 is smaller than 48. So we will write 48 zeros are 0. 3 minus 0, 3. Copy next number, that is 3. This is 33. Again this is smaller than 48, so we will write 0. 48 zeros are 0. 3 minus 0, 3. 3 minus 0, 3. Copy the last number, that is 6. This answer is 336. Now 336 will come in the table of 48. For that you need to write the table of 48. This number will come. 48 7s are 336. 6 minus 6 0, 3 minus 3 0, 3 minus 3 0. So the answer is 7. The time required is 7 hours. Question number 3. Girija needed 35 cartons to pack 1400 books. There are an equal number of books in each carton. How many books did she pack into each carton? Now Girija need to pack 1400 books in 35 cartons, and in each carton the number of books will be equal. Solution: number of books is 1400, number of carton is 35. To find the number of books in each carton, divide 1400 by 35. Write 1400 divided by 35. First number is smaller than 35. Write 35 zeros are 0. 1 minus 0, 1. Copy next number, that is 4. 35 zeros are 0. 4 minus 0, 4. 1 minus 0, 1. Copy next number, that is 4. This is 140. In the table of 35, 140 will there? Yes. For that you need to write the table. 35 4s are 140. 0 minus 0, 4 minus 4 0, 1 minus 1 0, and write the 0 down. For that you need to write 35 zeros are 0. So the answer is 40. 40 books are packed in each carton. Question number 4. Each person contributed rupees 65 for a picnic. If the total contribution were 2925, find the number of person who contributed for the picnic. In this question, each person has contributed rupees 65 for a picnic, and the total amount is 2925. We need to find out how many, the number of person who contributed, how many person contributed the money. See the solution. Contribution by each person is 65. Total contribution is 2925. To find the number of person who contributed, divide 2925 by 65. 2925 divided by 65. First number is smaller than 65, so we will write 65 zeros are 0. 2 minus 0, 2. Copy second number. 29. Again this is smaller than 65. Write 65 zeros are 0. 9 minus 0, 9. 2 minus 0, 2. Copy next number, that is 292. Is this number is smaller than 65 or bigger than? Bigger than. So this number will come in the table of 65. For that you need to write the table of 65. 65 4s are 260. 292 will not there, but the smaller number is there, that is 260. 65 4s are 260 minus 2 minus 0, 2. 9 minus 6, 3. 2 minus 2, 0. Write the last number, that is 5. Now this question is 325. This number is bigger than 65. In the table of 65 this number will come. You will write the table and you will find it out. 65 5s are 325. 5 minus 5 0, 2 minus 2 0, 3 minus 3 0. So the answer is 45. 45% contributed to the picnic. Question number 5. Which number on being multiplied by 56 give the product of 9688? We need to find out which number we need to divide so that we will get the answer 9688. The product is 9688. The multiplier will be 56. To find the number, we will divide 9688 by 56. 9688 divided by 56. First number is smaller than 56, write 0. 56 zeros are 0. 9 minus 0, 9. Copy second number, that is 6. This is 96, bigger than 56. This will be in the table of 56. For that you will write the table of 56. Now 96 is not there, but the smaller number will be there, that is 56. 56 ones are 56. 6 minus 6, 0. 9 minus 5, 4. Copy next number, 8. This is 408. This number is bigger than 56. This number will not there in the table of 56, but the smaller number is there, that is 56 7s are 392. 8 minus 2, 6. 0 minus 9 not possible, borrow from 4. This will be 10. 10 minus 9, 1, and this will be 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Write the last number, that is 8. 168. In the table of 56, this number will be there. 56 3s are 168. 8 minus 8, 0. 6 minus 6, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. The answer is 173. The required number, that is multiplicate, is 173. Question number 6. If 48 sheets are required for making one notebook, how many notebooks at the most will 5880 sheets make, and how many sheets will be left over? In this question, we need to make notebook. The total sheets are 5880. In each book, 48 sheets will be there. So we need to find out how many books will be made and how many sheets will be left over. To find the number of notebooks made, divide the total number of sheets by the number of sheets required to make one book. See the solution here. 5880 divided by 48. First number is smaller than 48, so we will write 48 zeros are 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. Copy second number, that is 8. 58. This number is bigger than 48. 48 ones are 48. 8 minus 8, 0. 5 minus 4, 1. Copy next number, 8. This number is 108, bigger than 48. 48 2s are 96. 8 minus 6, 2. 1 minus 9 not possible, borrow from 1. This will be 10. 10 minus 9, 1. This will be 0. 0. Copy the last number, that is 0. 120. 48 2s are 196. 0 minus 6 not possible, borrow from 2. This will 10. 10 minus 6, 4. This will be 1. 1 minus 9 not possible, borrow from 1. This will 0. This will 11. 11 minus 9, answer is 2. So 128 notebooks can be made and 24 sheets will be left over. This is the remainder, 24. So the 24 sheets will be left over. Question number 7. What will the quotient be if the smallest 5-digit number is divided by the smallest 4-digit number? Now here we need to write the number, the smallest 4-digit number and the smallest 5-digit number. The smallest 4-digit number is 1000 and the smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. The smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. The smallest 4-digit number is 1000. To find the quotient, divide 10,000 by 1000. At 10,000 divided by 1000. Now 1000 ones are 1000. Directly we can solve it. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. The last number is left, right? This number is smaller than 1000. So we will write 1000 zeros are 0. Again we will put all zeros. So the answer is 10. The quotient will be 10. Solve all the questions in your notebook. Try to understand the solution. If you will have any difficulty, you can ask me.